bit surprised. Let's make a cream cheese cookies. What? Cream cheese? Yes, it's a cream cheese cookies. Let's see the whole video. How to make a cookies from cream cheese. That's what my target today. When it's snowing and minus 40 outside, let's make these cookies together. Flour 210 grams. Salt 1 teaspoon. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Combine well. Transfer to a sieve. Sieve. Set it aside. Room temperature butter 113 grams. Transfer to a bowl. Using a blender, blend it like this. Add cream cheese, the same amount as butter, 113 grams, and whisk it. Add sugar, 200 grams. Whisk it. In between, scrape from the sides. You will get a dough like this. Add vanilla extract. Again, mix it. Add 1 egg and beat dough. Scrape in between. Add the flour mix. Combine well with the spatula first. 1 splash. Then use a blender to mix it. Using a spatula, clean up everything to the bowl and refrigerate for at least an hour. Remove from the fridge. Preheat the oven to 375-degree temperature. Make small lemon-sized balls. On a parchment lined tray, arrange the cookies. It will be a little bit sticky, but when you eat it, it all goes to love with the cookies. Transfer the tray to the oven. Bake for just 10 minutes, not more than that. When you take out after 10 minutes, it will be soft, but don't worry. Remove it from the oven, leave it outside. It will cook more and more into a cream cheese beautiful cookies. Transfer to a wire rack. Add some sugar so it looks so yummy. Cream cheese cookies is ready. See the bottom, nice golden in color. On the top, little bit soft, but still so good. Still so good. Let's taste the cookies. Wow, so good. It's the first time I'm making a cookies with cheese, but I fell in love with it. It's so good. Very soft at the center, but still there's a crunchiness here and there from the bottom part. It's so good. When you fell in love with it, please try it. And if you like it, share it, comment it, and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Moses